What's up, guys? Today we got an awesome video. This thing is super cool. Just got it in, just got the batteries charged, so we're fixing to put it through the test. It's the new 1/2 inch M12 Stubby by Milwaukee. The part number is 2555-22. Let me come over here and I'll show you a couple of torque specs and then we'll get into this thing. Alright guys, here's the part number on the box, 2555-22. It shows the compact design here. And up to 250 pounds of nut busting torque. So we're fixing to put this to the test and we'll see what it'll do. Alright guys, I just got it in. I just opened the box literally maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. I have not even put a socket on the anvil, and we're going to put it to the test. Now before we start this video, I want to have a disclaimer once again. I know using adapters is going to reduce the torque. It's no secret. I know it's going to reduce the torque. But we conducted this exact same test with the Snap-on CT71, the Cobalt 24 volt, the Matco 16 volt, the Milwaukee M18 3/8, and now we're fixing to do it with the Stubby. The point is not to, compare tool against tool. It's kind of to see if this tool can do what it claims. I know there's going to be torque loss. All you haters, put it in the comments. I know there's going to be torque loss. I realize that. But every one of them is done on the exact same playing field. And everybody except the Matco did what they was rated for, if not more. The Milwaukee, of course, done well above what it was rated for. So we're expecting the same thing out of the Stubby. So that's the whole purpose of the test. Milwaukee makes some great tools. You're not going to beat their warranty, on the tool or the battery. So they are, in my opinion, the undisputed king of warranty and performing what they say they will. So during this test, we are going to use the same thing we did on all the rest of them. On this test, we're using a 33mm socket because we're going to be using it on a Class 8 or semi-truck lug. And then it's going into an adapter, 3/4 into a 1/2 inch. So we're going to be using a snap-on torque wrench to set the torque on these things, and then we're going to let her eat, see how much she can handle. You guys come take a look. Alright guys, this right here is going to be our victim, our test subject for the day. And we're going to be testing out once again the 1/2 inch Milwaukee M12 Stubby. Bill's going to use the Milwaukee 1/2 inch, which is a bad beast, to break it loose. And then we will torque it down. Alright, so what we're going to do, we know that without a doubt the regular 3/8 Milwaukee will do 150 pounds, no sweat. So we're going to start this bad boy out at 100. Let's go with 180. That sound good to you, Bill?
Sounds good to me.
So our first set is going to be 180 pounds. As you can see, here's the snap-on torque wrench port number. And it goes to 250. So hopefully we can max it out and then go get the big 3/4 inch gun. So we're going to watch Bill torque it. Alright, that's 180 foot-pounds. Brand new gun. Alright, so she passed 180. So let's go up to 190. Alright. 190 foot-pounds. $190. All right, let's crank this up to 200. There we go. So we're at 200 foot-pounds. No sweat. Let's crank her up to 210. 205, 210. There we go. Stout little booger in it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So now we're going to go to 220. There he is. Just stick that gun down on the floor so I'm walking back and forth. Alright, so that's 220. Let's crank her up to 230. Camera to focus here. 230. she is. Is that bolt hot?
No, but that adapter is.
Alright, so that was 230. Let's go to 240. We're only 10 pounds away from the maximum that Milwaukee claims it can do. Because it says up to 250. Oh yeah. I feel confident it can do 250, don't you?
I believe it's gonna do it. If not more.
Oh, stout. And that's just a 4-ounce battery. Alright, so now we're gonna go up to the maximum rating, which is the maximum rating of this torque wrench at 250 foot-pounds. And then we'll go get the 3/4 to do the next one if it passes this one. Well, that's all of her. So this is what it says the max is on this tool. And she did it. Alright, Bill, grab her 3/4 inch over there and we'll bump her up a notch. That is impressive, guys, because Milwaukee says up to 250, so they have done what they claim with this tool, and that is impressive. We've used 1 bar of battery. Alright, so we got the big snap-on 3/4 inch, so we're going to crank her up here and get my camera to focus to 260 foot-pounds. Turn it this way just a little so the camera will pick it up. Alright, right there is 250. So I'm going to go 10 more. It's 260. And she's locked in. What do you think, Bill? Gonna do 260?
I believe it's gonna do it.
That's impressive that you have to have a 3/4 inch torque wrench to test a 1/2 inch drive tool. Alright, let's see what you got, little guy. 260 foot-pounds. Wow. And she done it. We'll run her up to 270. Alright, y'all can see that's 250 here, 10 here, so we're going to add another 20 to make it 270 foot-pounds. See, she's locked in. That's a lot for a little old bitty gun. That's the size of your hand. Look at the size of this gun. It's pretty much the length of my fingers. Very impressive. Alright, 270 foot-pounds coming at you. Ain't gonna do it, huh?
Nope. And she's warm.
Well, it definitely exceeded 260. Let's back her down to 265 and see if it'll do 265. And that's where we'll call her quits. He's gonna grab the 1/2 inch gun, break it loose, and we're gonna back it off 5 and see if she'll do 265.
This is a beast.
That 1/2 inch gun is like, man, I can eat that for lunch. Alright, let me back this bad boy down 5, and I feel like it's gonna do 265, which definitely outperforms the rating that Milwaukee give it. Alright, so that's 250 there plus 15, that's 265. Ain't gonna do it. So 260 with adapters, that's still super impressive, and 10 pounds over what Milwaukee even rates it at. So anyway guys, that's our video today. That's our test on the 1/2 inch M12 Stubby by Milwaukee. An impressive little tool. Can't hardly beat it. And still got 3 bars of battery after all of that. So there you guys seen it. We put the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 1/2 inch drive Stubby to the test. Like always guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.